Cardano is an average coin with the ticker ADA, a market capitalization of $10,222,446,765, and a current value of $0.291924. A good time to discuss our short dash, medium dash, and long-term predictions is now because digital currencies are no longer just a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and unknown sellers. Instead, they are highly regulated and, surprisingly, even in a real sense, banks are using Cardano and other digital currencies as a group to protect their assets from the running growth that makes it difficult for the traditional financial markets to function. The resource's present value, which is typically equal to its market capitalization, determines the ranking. The price of Cardano was 0.292771 at the end of trading on August 4, which is highly significant. This equation is applied in all financial markets in a subtle way. A month ago on July 5, a market participant valued Cardano at 0.284404, which indicates that the coin has made a 2.64 step to reach to where it is now. ADA was valued at 0.310205 days earlier on July 29, meaning that since then the price has changed by 0% significantly. The examination of market capitalization really conveys commonly equivalent significance in both digital money and customary business sectors in an essentially huge manner. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology truly is utilized to decide the general position and prevalence of computerized resources and stocks, for example. In an unobtrusive way, changes in market capitalization exceptionally certain are really negative essentially are additionally demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could especially be going, as well as the resources for the most part potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both pretty short and really long haul points of view, which truly is genuinely critical. This in every way that really matters. Specific especially metric is likewise used to check the strength of Cardano, corresponding to the remainder of the cryptographic money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition in an unobtrusive manner to decide the essentially current market capitalization of ADA. Contrary to popular belief, Cardano's market capitalization remains at $10 billion, $222,446,565, which explains why its position is what it is. We essentially mimic the trading range, which will be explained later, by the current value of the cryptocurrency under review. Considering everything, how might a company with a market capitalization of $10 billion, $252,134,400,800 defeat what most people believe while remaining weak? The market capitalization of the coin under discussion was $10,858,735,296 on July 29. The market capitalization of Bitcoin was $10,252,114 on July 5, demonstrating that digital currencies have long since stopped being a toy for tech nerds, upper tennis, and small-time sellers, which is what most people believed. Unlike what most people believe, these cryptographic forms of currency can be used for real-time trading, stored in backers' wallets, or with managers. Total stockpile examines how many coins have already been created, but they can also be created in other ways, such as through mining, which demonstrates that a similar numerical method is used to determine how many coins are currently available. The true total amount of Cardano available is 36045-784-123. Contrary to popular belief, ADA uses the coursing supply to estimate the market capitalization and survey the coins that are still in use. This means that the total amount of ADA currently traded across all exchanges, excluding coins that are marked as locked, frozen, or temporarily unavailable for general use, constitutes the coursing supply. It is generally accepted that digital currencies with a circulating supply of between 60 million and 150 million coins are the most liquid. This is due to the likelihood that their value will increase over an extended period, potentially years, while still expanding at a reasonable rate. Cardano in particular has a 35,17,537,785 coin circulation supply, and over the course of the last day, trading activity associated to ADA totaled 185,530,555. The average weighted trading value at the close of trading on August 4 remained at 308,278,624. This demonstrates that a substantial investment bank's Cardano and other digital currencies are frequently used in conjunction to secure assets under ADA. Now would be a good moment to discuss our short dash, medium dash, and long-term projections for the ADA market, which are primarily based on the readings of our unique crypto unpredictability file. This file lets us gauge market sentiment and forecast where the market is likely to move significantly in the next week. Bitcoin price prediction: as BTC dips below support level of $26,000 due to the volatility in the constantly changing cryptocurrency market. Although the nature of the market is still evolving, recent events and developments have caught the attention of both buyers and supporters. For example, legalizing U.S. sanctions against the cryptocurrency platform Tornado Cash is a significant development. In addition, Craig writes that claims that there are billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin have been met with skepticism and rejection by the group of people who work on Bitcoin. In the midst of all of this, the rising popularity of commonplace transactions is leading NFT supporters to doubt the purported fall of Bitcoin. The price change of Bitcoin is being viewed in the context of this complicated combination of factors, which raises the question of why. A U.S. judge has approved sanctions against the cryptocurrency platform Tornado Cash. Because a federal judge supported U.S. fines against the decentralized cryptocurrency platform Tornado Cash, the value of Bitcoin to the dollar is declining. A year ago, sanctions were implemented by the U.S. Treasury Department due to claims of money laundering and supporting destructive online activity. As traders consider the larger effects of increased government involvement, this made people even more concerned about the effects of regulation on the cryptocurrency industry. Additionally, the fact that Coinbase is paying for the case illustrates how difficult it is to strike a balance between privacy and following the law when it comes to cryptocurrencies. The market's response exhibits a cautious mindset. The decline of BTC/USD reflects broader concerns in the decentralized finance sector and highlights the continued friction. Bitcoin price predictions: as $10 billion sends BTC up 1%, are whales buying? When Bitcoin goes up by 1%, people start to wonder if whales are involved, since BTC just got a huge $10 billion infusion. This rise in business interest is happening against a financial background that is very interesting. Jerome Powell recently hinted that if the U.S. wants to do a good job of stopping inflation, it might have to raise interest rates again. A recent buy of BTC worth $3 billion that is said to have been made by Robinhood has also raised eyebrows. Many people